Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best 8-inch chef knife on the market for this year. First we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best 8-inch chef knife. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. We updated this article in July 2022 to add more information about each featured product, based on extensive testing done by the Good Housekeeping Institute. Our original top-rated picks, selected by the Kitchen Appliances and Innovation Lab, have been updated to include chef's knives from Hast and Material. A good chef's knife is key for quick and safe prep work in the kitchen. The long blade allows for chopping, dicing, and mincing, as well as breaking down a roast chicken or slicing a steak for serving. They come in a variety of sizes, usually from 6 to 14-inch blades, so you can find one that feels best in your hand. Number 1. Imarku Japanese Kitchen Knives for Home Use. If you're going to be doing a lot of cooking, then you want the right knife. For a professional chef who is crafting exquisite culinary masterpieces, our Imarku Chef Knife 8-inch chef's knives with the high-carbon stainless steel blade are definitely the correct tool for any job or dish, from chopping fresh fruit and vegetables, dicing onions and tomatoes, to carving slabs of meat. The blade is made of thick, sturdy steel for power and precision. The ergonomic Paka handle fits perfectly in your hand as you effortlessly glide through tasks, transforming all culinary challenges into simple human pleasures. It has a tapered, full-tang handle that guarantees stability and longevity. The thick bolster provides protection to your fingers while cutting food with ease. This multifunctional kitchen knife cuts, dices, slices, chops, and bones meats off the bone at ease. Don't forget it comes sharpened by experts so that your cutting tasks can begin with a fulfilling slice. Handcrafted with high-carbon stainless steel blade for rust-free, strong, and sharp precision cutting. Ergonomic Paka handle with ABS thermoplastic elastomer coating is non-slip, comfortable to use, and creates the perfect weight balance. Comes sharpened by experts so you can begin using it immediately. Number 2. Dahlstrong GS Kitchen Knives for Home Use. Equipped with a German high-carbon steel blade that will end up being your favorite thing to use in the kitchen. Equilibrated and hand-honed for a razor-sharp edge, you'll be praising Dahlstrong's meticulous workmanship. Precision tempering is a process that ensures that the blade's edge meets engineered standards. The blade is heated to 1,650 degrees Fahrenheit and then cooled in ice-coolant baths. This procedure helps to ensure that the knife will not break or chip and retains its sharp blade for years of use. High-quality materials like ThyssenKrupp high-carbon German steel help ensure long-lasting accuracy and make sure this knife meets the highest standards of durability. Sleek and resistant to stains of any kind, maintain an award-winning design right on the surface of your new knife. With a grip-ensuring G10 Garolite handle triple riveted at its base, this chef knife is engineered rigorously to keep you running like clockwork through every cutting task without missing a beat, except providing superior quality cuts time after time. Razor-sharp oven-safe German steel blade. Triple riveted for a strong and sturdy grip. Lightweight, easy to handle and control. Hardness HRC 57/58, comes sharpened by experts so you can begin using immediately. Number 3. Wasstop 4582-7/20 Kitchen Knives for Home Use. Every home cook or professional chef needs a chef's knife in their kitchen. This all-purpose Wasstop 8 classic chef's knife is versatile for chopping, mincing, slicing, and dicing any food. The full bolster provides superior balance when chopping because the edge stays closer to the work surface. A double-tapered bolster adds weight where it belongs so you can split large cuts of meat with ease, while a textured finger guard protects your fingers from slipping onto the blade. Full flat ground blade with expertly honed 58 degrees cutting-edge angle results in sharpness that will never go dull. All parts are stamped for exceptional quality control during production to ensure precision processing and consistency in high standards every time. Full tang, forged from a single piece of steel for durability and quality. Precision balanced with a full bolster weighing 8.5 ounce for a perfect grip and weight distribution in the palm of the hand. A triple riveted handle guarantees no slip when wet or dry. The highest quality builds with durability that will not fail you. Durable, easy to clean, and maintain best quality steel, which is ice-tempered for a hardness of HRC 58. Made in Solingen, Germany, with a lifetime warranty and free sharpening and maintenance for 3 years and beyond. Number 4. Mac Knife MTH80 Kitchen Knives for Home Use. Mac Knife Professional 8-inch hollow-edge chef knife helps you cut, slice, and dice any food. This 12.63 length knife is the most popular in the home and professional kitchen. Mac knives are made with a short blade of 2.5 mm thickness that has dimples for reducing sticking on foods such as potatoes, apples, summer squash, and more. For years we've been designing knives with quality craftsmanship for all kitchen's appliances like cutting boards and food processors to give your entire cookery set a uniform feel. Now, purchase the Mac Knife Professional 8-inch hollow-edge chef knife and experience its lightweight handle and unbeatable edge retention for yourself. 8 hollow ground, high-carbon stainless steel. This is not a full tang knife, but rather a half tang with rivets to secure the blade and bolster. *** half tang means there is only a piece of metal from the top side of the knife going down to the handle. Hand-honed for a razor-sharp edge. Wide blade to slice through vegetables, fruits, and other food items. 100% satisfaction guarantee, made in Japan with high-quality materials and craftsmanship, the best knives. Number 5. Zylas Comfort Pro Kitchen Knives for Home Use. The Zylas Comfort Pro Chef's Knife is perfectly balanced with a lightweight handle that absorbs pressure while you work, making it more comfortable on your hands. It features a 15 degrees German stainless steel blade, which is durable and sturdy. Full tang construction provides the perfect balance for precision cutting at any angle. This knife has a decent amount of weightiness, which will make it perfect for cutting and slicing most things you do in the kitchen. The 8-inch blade allows you to cut through even the smallest ingredient without struggle, letting you focus on what matters most, your food. Whether you are slicing bread or chopping vegetables, this knife gives you precise control while its sharp edge glides effortlessly through foods without sticking or dragging. The price is affordable, making this the perfect choice for any department or home. Versatile, all-purpose knife, great for fruit, vegetables, and boneless meats. The blade's length is 8 inches. Full tang construction gives balance and weight to the blade. Handle nylon with soft grip coating and stainless steel rivets.